Is it safe to use a mini fridge inside a tent? Have you ever wondered if you can keep your drinks cold while camping at a festival? Using a mini fridge inside a tent can be a great way to enjoy chilled beverages and fresh food. However, safety is a key concern. Let's break down what you need to know to make it work safely. First, mini fridges need power. You can typically plug them into a car battery, a portable generator, or a campsite's power outlet. Many camping mini fridges operate on 12 volts direct current power. This is perfect for drawing energy from your vehicle or a portable battery pack. It is important to choose a fridge with built-in battery protection features. This prevents draining your car battery completely, which could leave you stranded. Next, consider ventilation. Mini fridges generate heat while they operate. Inside a tent, airflow is limited. Therefore, it is best to place the fridge in a well-ventilated area of the tent or just outside the entrance. If the fridge overheats, it can reduce its efficiency and even cause damage. Ensuring good airflow around the fridge is essential for safe use. Another point to think about is fire safety. Tents are made from flammable materials, so any electrical appliance inside poses a fire risk. Always use fridges designed for outdoor use with proper insulation and safety certifications. Avoid using extension cords or power sources that are not rated for outdoor use. Before using the fridge, check it and the power cords for any damage. It is also wise to monitor the fridge regularly to avoid overheating. Moisture is another factor to consider. Tents can get humid, especially at night, leading to condensation around the fridge. This moisture can affect electrical components and cause short circuits. To minimize this risk, use a fridge with good sealing and insulation. Placing the fridge on a waterproof mat can also help protect it from ground moisture. When it comes to size and portability, camping mini fridges are typically compact and lightweight. This makes them easy to carry and fit inside a tent or vestibule. Their small size allows you to keep drinks and perishable food cold during multi-day festivals. This is much more convenient than relying on ice coolers that eventually melt. Energy consumption is another consideration. Camping mini fridges usually consume less than 1 kilowatt-hour per day when set to maximum cooling mode. This is manageable with portable power solutions. Some models even offer eco or silent modes to save energy and reduce noise, which is perfect for a quiet camping environment. In summary, using a mini fridge inside a tent at festivals can be safe if you choose the right model, ensure proper ventilation, and use reliable power sources. Following these guidelines can make your festival camping experience much more comfortable. Keeping your food and drinks cold without the hassle of ice coolers is a game changer. Always prioritize safety to avoid any fire hazards or electrical problems.